There. And I'm recording it also, GRP, just for you. And we'll release it not in a year from now. Alright. Like, we'll release it as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and mmap this guy right here real quick. I'm not going to change out of the box. We're on TomGhost. I know it says Proving Grounds Money Box. I'm not going to change out of there. We got 8080. mmap tac P 8080. There we go. And let's go ahead and also do a nicto URL. And let's go ahead and check out that guy over here. 8080. I think I messed up every single one of those, didn't I? Well, I messed up this guy. Okay, Apache Tomcat 9.0.30. Let's go ahead and do a search exploit for that. Alright, nothing in here for that. We also have 8009. And what else we'll do actually is we'll go ahead and we'll throw a rust scan at it because we're getting some pretty high ports. Should have realized that because it's Tomcat box. Okay, so we got this little Apache JServe, right? 8009, not 9009. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a search exploit for JServe 1.3. I don't think we have anything in there, right? Let's go ahead and actually look it up. AJP, search exploit, AJP. Nothing in there, okay. Let's go ahead and look up AJP 13. Yeah, TomGhost, or well, Tomcat. I looked up TomGhost last time. I know there's an actual thing that you can actually get for this. Like, it might actually be in my scripts already. Forget what that's called. But Hosky game, what'd you try to post? Oh, you deleted it. Oh, want to come? Oh, damn! Look at Christy, the freaking moderation. Christy, I love seeing the want to become famous. I always say yes. I'm like, yeah, can you do that? This is what I want to do. I want to download Vault Hub boxes all day. Sort on. It was that one day. And one day when I didn't know what the hell I was doing, I was like, hey, you know what? Everyone gets it. I started throwing freaking, what is it? Everyone just got a moderator. Alright. I know that there was a Tomcat hack. Let's look up AJP 13 TomGhost. Okay, this is the actual, I think we looked at right up at one point of it. AJP 13, I don't want to look at a write-up for it. Looked at one at one point. I wonder if we got it in some weird way. Ghost Cat, that's what it's called. Okay, there we go. That's what it's called. Is there a Ghost Cat in here? No, okay. So, Ghost Cat. This is a Python like right here. Let's go ahead and try this one like right here. And we'll see what we can do. Okay. So we got Ghost Cat here, right? Boom, boom. Structure, no. Boom, boom. Or if it's going to be looking for data, or how we're going to send the data into it, or if it's HTTP, or what it exactly is. But I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, it actually goes out and grabs the, what is it? Grabs the password from Tomcat. So we'd have to tell it where to find that password from. Let's go ahead and just do a Python, like real quick. Ghost Cat. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we have port and then file and then target. Port, file, target. We could try to upload something into here, I'm wondering. That would make, I guess that would make sense, huh? Port, file, target. Um, if they have it, we should be able to find like an Apache Tomcat AJP one. You know what I'm saying? Like we should be able to see like some type of there we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. So we got the Python one, which I'm pretty sure we just grabbed actually. Let's go and try it. Yeah, this is what we just grabbed. Okay, cool. So I'll say if we just got off of that, then we should have it. And it also looks like it has a Metasploit one also, right? So now we need a file and a target. So I don't know if we quite actually need a file. I think we can just send out the port 8009 and then the target, which is going to be, because I'm pretty sure it goes out and it grabs the IP or the username and password from what I remember. Oh, yes, it does. Welcome to GhostCat. Boom. Let's freaking go. So now we can go ahead and log on to here. Alright, yeah, at least the username and password. I believe it was in Manager app, right? No. Host Manager? No. Server status? Oh, obviously not server status. Or it's in Manager. How the hell do I log in again? It's in Manager app? Thought it was. Oh god, how the hell do I log into Tomcat again? Wait, do I actually need to log into Tomcat now I think about it? Because yeah, 22's up. So let's go ahead and do a, you saving stuff in another box? Where at? Yeah, SSH. 22, so we'll do a SH into Skyfuck at 10 22 148. Yes. And then we'll go ahead and throw that in there. Okay, cool. Sudo attack L. Are we root? No, we're not. Okay, so now we just got to try to figure out how to get to root. Credential.pgp. Let's go ahead and do a cat scripts. Actually, I do look up like real quick. And also let's echo that like right there over into. Oh, I won't put it there though. What am I going off of here? I'm going off of that desktop proving grounds money box. This is not money box. This is what is it? Ghost. TomGhost. This is not money box at all. All right. User pass.text. Let's go ahead and we'll append it because we already have a user pass.text, right? At least being consistent. All right. Let's go ahead and check capabilities. Nothing in here is really pointing out to me. Maybe ping 6, but I don't think it is because that's just going to be ICMP version 6. All right, looks like we have a couple capabilities here, but nothing that's really insane, huh? Like usually, like with like capability stuff like that, you know, you would know. So, we do have that GPG though, right? Yeah, the PGP. I always say GPG. Yeah. PGP. We can do a GPG. Should be like that, right? Alright. Let's go ahead and actually, because I don't think I have notes on this, so if I ever decide to, is that only for Linux? I don't think that's only for Linux, so we'll go ahead and do PGP. And we'll just go ahead and do this like real quick. Okay, Skyflow, okay, what's this? Stuck now at tryhackme.com, not changed, tryhackme stuck, okay. So, there's those two, right? PGP is Windows, yeah, GPG is GNU, PG. Okay, yeah, I'll just leave it down here then, just so I have it, not in one of those things, and then have it be confusing later on or whatever. Now from here, I should be able to do is decrypt it, right? Decrypt it. It should be credentials, right? So we should be able to do a GPG tac decrypt, I believe it is. All right, that's your passphrase. Fucking no. Damn, I tried my best. Get same pass. You think? Oh yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Like this one, like right here. You think? Password reuse. You thinking? No. Okay, so that was not it. Can't we can send that over to what's it called? Over to John the Ripper though, can't we? This guy right here, we can send it over to John the Ripper. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll do this like right here. I'll say need passphrase, gonna send it over to John the Ripper. As seen below, we cannot decrypt yet. Oh, nice. PGP is an open standard for encrypted email. Pretty good privacy. Yep, pretty good privacy. Flows there a minute or something like that. GPG, GNU's privacy guard is GNU's invitation PGP, I think. Okay. Now, I know about pretty good privacy. I mean, learn about that in many courses, but Python 3 TACM HTTP.server, and we'll say 8,000. And then we'll come over here and we'll do a wget HTTP. No idea what the IP address is, so I'm fucking useless. /tryhackme.asc. Okay. Now we should. Is that what we need to tryhackme.asc? And then we can do the GPG John, right? That should be all we need, right? I think it is. GPG to John? Is it like that? Yep, okay. Tryhackme.asc. And we'll put this as hash. Okay. Okay, now we have hash John hash word list equals user share word list rocky.text. Alright, signature error, invalid signature line. Try to link dynamic, blah blah blah. Okay. That was not good at all, now was it? Huh. It should just be that. Should be everything I need, like right there. We should just need to just put it in the hash and then just do it. John should figure it out. Original format AS400. Error, invalid signature line, trying to link to dynamic format. That's a new one for me. Huh. I don't think I shouldn't need anything else, right? I shouldn't need credential or anything like that, right? I should just need just that, correct? And then I can go ahead and send over I should just be able to just get the hash from there, as far as I know. But John, for some reason, does not seem to like it very much now, does he? Okay. Okay. Do I have to import it to myself, maybe? No, let's see why that would do anything. Okay. So it is doing that, like right there. We're looking good so far. And now we're going to import that into hash. And we're getting this invalid signature. John, GPG to John. Invalid signature. I shouldn't need anything else. That should be it. That should be the only thing I need, like right there. And we're not getting an invalid signature up here either. John errors. Maybe I need to attack that format equals GPG. Let's freaking go! No, we didn't need. No, we're good. Just needed to tell it what the format was. That's all. I got lost. Alexandru. Okay. Let's go ahead and. What were we doing, anyways? I don't remember. Alexandru. Okay, cool. What we got here? We got ourselves Merlin. Okay, so CD into slash home. Is there a Merlin? And it just got rid of that. Thank you very much. Oh, God. There is a Merlin. Let's go back into Skyfuck again. Passphrase is Alexandru. Okay. And that's Merlin's password, like right there. Don't know how he's supposed to remember it, but that is his password. So let's go ahead and echo Merlin. Well, pen user pass.text again. And we'll go ahead and SU into Merlin with that password. And oh, okay, no, I'm good. Okay, CD into slash home. CD into Merlin. Cat user.text. Well, I already got it. We're not cat user.text. We got nano there. We got bash history, sudo tech out. Do have his password. Okay, so we can run zip as yep with no password. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do a GTFO bins zip. We can run that with sudo. Make temp tech use sudo zip. Boom boom sudo root. So this buyer allowed to run super user does not drop out very privileges. Go and try that like right there. And we'll cd into slash user bin. Go ahead and try to run that like right there. And ID. Oh, nope, who am I? And we are root. Oh, I never overwrote it, did I? No, there's menu right there. See? No. Now we just have that one, and we have TomGhost in there, or whatever it is. All right, cool. So we are root, cdn/root. Whoops, cdn/root. And there we go. So there's our root.txt. And also a firewall. I don't know what that's going to do. Firewall stopped and disabled. There. Fixed it. There we go. Oh, I wonder if there's... see, this is called persistence, like right here. That's what this is called, okay? So we'll go ahead and we will echo. Yeah, we're going to have a little bit of persistence here, huh? Let's go ahead and... little cat scripts bash reverse shell. Mwahaha. There's literally no reason to do this, what we're doing like right now, but you know. Mwahaha. Let's freaking go. Okay. Can we restart this machine without shutting down, kind of like the shutdown tech R? Can we do that on Linux? And 1 second. Let's actually make sure that's even working. Bad FD number. What? Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and do a netcat reverse shell. Oh, nope, we actually did get it. Look at that, huh? Let's go. Okay, so now we have persistence, right? So is there a way to, is there a way to be able to like do that on a Linux machine? Or does it run every minute? Yeah, because it's not running at startup. So yeah. So we can just let that run and that should just go through. And we should be root again. If we were to exit up here, we should be root again. Let's make sure that actually works. Because last time that took a minute. Well, I think it should have taken a minute, but it like took a minute to like run it for some reason. Firewall's not disabled. Syntax error, bad FD number. We'll exit off here. Or Merlin again. Do have netcat on there. We could always try something like this like real quick. Just see if it's going to work with our IP address in 9999. Let's freaking go. So now we have persistence. Because we're just assholes now. That's really what that is like right there. That's just us just being assholes. Is it the best persistence? No. No, it is not. Not at all. But we create persistence, okay? Alright, cool. We could have also done something like this like right here too. You know what I'm saying? Could have something like this. Created persistence. Right. Well, I'm not going to be able to do that in the root one. I have to put it down there. Well, I just want to see if it will work, that's all. Yes, it does work. Cool. So we can put that also into the root one and create persistence or whatever. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Great. Sweet. That is Ghost Cat.